What got me into art had to have been my mom. Something about the genes. Something about the genes. My mom's an artist. Actually, most people in my family have some form of creative outlet that they like to use. And, I guess it was just written in the stars or the genes, if you might say. I love her. All I want to do is make her proud. Like, that's the honest truth, is all I want to do. I know it's crazy, but she's an artist, and ever since I saw her work when I was little, that's all I wanted to do, was be able to do cool things that she was doing, because it was so different. You walk this. I know a lot of people, they go home and they see their parents working, and parents do all kinds of stuff, right? They do. But for me, it was just different. I walked downstairs and I would see my mom drawing these really interesting paintings, and I'm like, well, how did she do that? And more importantly, why? And then it just got me all excited about doing stuff for myself. And by the time I was 12, 13 years old, I had the itch. I just couldn't let it go.